everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a special video. It is Pride Month, so I did Pride makeup. I basically did the rainbow flag on my eyes today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really love how this makeup look came out, and I can't wait to go out and show my boyfriend and look how cute she is. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Beauty Bunny Cosmetics. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe. My name is Jessica Martin. I'm 21. I'm a professional makeup artist in New York, and yeah, so let's get started with this tutorial. Hey guys, so my camera kind of cut off this one part, but basically to start off the look, I basically used a yellow, a orange, and a red shade all above my crease. I will end up carving it out, but I just want to say that because it's going to skip and it's just going to go to something else, and it skipped like the main part. Sorry for my voice, I just woke up and I'm doing this voiceover. Yeah. Okay, so once I'm done carving out my lid, we are going to go on to the next color in the rainbow. So I'm going to be taking green, and I'm going to be applying that in there. So I'm taking the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm taking the shade Freak, and I'm going to start that into my inner corner and bring that out. We're going to stay in that cut crease though. Okay, so now I'm taking the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm taking the shade Vol, I think. It's kind of rubbed off. And I'm just going to tap that on the end. That. Now I'm taking a deeper green shade from Juvia's Place. Taking Freak again. I'm taking a blue shade now from the Electric palette. So I'm going to take that Control Freak again, and I'm just going to blend that into the blue. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that blue again, and blend that into the green. You can do little patting motions. I feel like that works really good. Now we're going to take a purple shade. I'm taking the two purple tone shades from the Electric palette, and I'm just going to apply that on the outer part now. And then just like the green and the blue, we're just going to keep going back and forth, mixing them. So now I'm just going to go in with a 217. I'm taking a little bit of the blue. I just want to mix it right here. Okay, boom. So now I'm just going to apply some liner and some lashes. For my liner, I'm using the Maybelline Studio New York. Sorry for all the noise. My house is like bugging out right now. But whatever. I'm going to come back when this side is done. And basically for the waterline, all I did was basically put the yellow, orange, red, blue, no, green, blue, purple. So basically all together, and I connected it. So I'm just going to do that off camera because my camera is dying, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I already have my eyes done. Right now I'm going to do my skin. So basically this is how the eyes look so far. They're very rainbow ombre. I was going to do a little more to it, but then I was like, I don't want to do too much. Let me just move you guys right here. Okay, so I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Coconut Little Spray, the 3-in-1 primer. So I'm just going to spray that all over my face. This stuff smells like a dream. Literally, it's like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like, it smells like the beach. It's amazing, but like how you think a beach would smell. So now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Champagne Highlight. Y'all know the drill. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to lightly tap it on right there. Okay, so now you guys can see a lot better now that I opened my door. I don't know if you can see my eyes a little more clear. For my foundation for today, I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Makeup. Add a tiny bit. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. I'm going to give it like 2.5 pumps because I'm extra. So I'm just going to boop, boop. Add this foundation all over my face. Forehead. Now what I like about this foundation, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but my skin is peeling a little bit because I did have pretty bad sunburn the other day. And I feel like since this is so like a creamy liquid, you don't really like see how like dehydrated my skin low-key is at the moment. I'm just going to take this, wipe my hand. So I'm just going to blend this in with my Real Techniques. Guys, you're going to see how beautiful this glow is. I'm going to bring it past right here. I'm just going to blend whatever is left over down. So now for my cream contour, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way in Mocha. I'm just going to, ooh, ooh. Right there, right there. Okay. So once I have that done, I'm just going to take my Real Techniques and just buff right onto my cheekbone where I want that to be. I'm so happy. Today was like supposed to rain and be so like ugly out, and now the sun's out, and I have a good feeling. I'm probably gonna wear like a white dress to go with this like makeup. Why do I always have to get it in my hair? Every single time. So now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm going to put that in all the places where I want to highlight. What I like about this concealer, when I first tried it, you guys probably still can see the review on my channel, but I really wasn't here for it. I felt like it didn't look right, but I ended up not liking the foundation. I actually liked the foundation a lot when I put it on. So it's weird. I ended up like switching like how I felt. Because I feel like this gives you like what you're looking for, but without being thick. Like it's a very sheer type of concealer, but not too sheer, if that makes sense. So now, I'm just going to buff that in. Now today is like the first day where I actually did my lower lash line before my concealer. I never do this. I usually just wait until I'm completely done. And like, I don't know how people do it. I feel like I'm just gonna ruin everything. I'm obsessed with this makeup. I've been wanting to be like fun with my eyeshadow, but I haven't been able to because I've been a little basic. And now I'm like, oh, I'm back. I'm back to myself. I'm just gonna tap, 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 tap. Yeah, I don't know how you guys do this, like whole waterline before concealer business. What type of witchcraftery is this? That was so corny. Okay. So I'm taking my translucent powder. Just gonna get that right on the bottom. Gonna get my chin. And then my smile lines, because I feel like I smile a lot. So now I'm going to take a fluffy powder brush and I'm just going to set the rest of my face. And I'm going to move away from the baking underneath my eye. Reason why I like to swipe off my baking so fast is because sometimes I feel like it can really dry out my under eyes. My skin, I would say, is like normal. Can be a little dehydrated sometimes, even though all I drink is water. But I would say my skin's pretty normal, but it can get dry, especially when I have sunburn like I do right now. I definitely said that all wrong, but you guys get what I mean. So now I'm going to take a MAC contour brush and I'm going to take my bronzer called Island Ting from Fenty Beauty. So I'm kind of just going by like the apples of our cheeks. I don't know what type of blush I want to do today. I might skip blush, to be honest. Only because I feel like this look is so colorful and I don't want to like disturb it and then make it look clowny, because I feel like right now it looks glam. Right into the temples. So now I'm going to take my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von Beauty, and I'm just going to chisel that out. So I'm going basically where I bronze, but I'm not going to take it far out like I did with the Fenty Beauty. Yeah, so for blush, I don't think I'm going to do blush, so I'm going to take a little more of that Fenty Beauty. And I'm just going to snatch my apples with it and put it where I would normally put my blush. So now, take some translucent powder again. I'm going to take my Beauty Blender. I'm just going to cut underneath. Just because we put a lot of bronzer and I don't want it to look muddy. And I'm just going to brush that away before it never moves again. So now I'm going to take my lip pencil from NYX, and this is in the shade Peekaboo. I'm just going to apply that all over. The shade is beautiful. It's like a, I don't know, like a pinky nude. And I'm just going to use that all over. I was going to put Twig by MAC on. This color by itself is everything. It's almost like Please Me from MAC. Okay. So once we have that on, I'm going to take a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Glass and Fussy. Put that one in the center. And now I'm going to apply my my little illuminator drops again for our glow. Just going to tap a little bit. I'm not going to put too much on. So I'm just doing it right over here. Like right on that apple. Take a little bit on that nose. I'm only going to do the tip today, because I don't want this to be too overpowering. Because like I said, I really want the eyes to be, you know. So now for highlight, I am taking the J Cat in Twilight. I'm just going to fluff that on. Right on top of that cream highlight. So now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild spray, and that's it. I'm just going to tap, especially since my skin is wet. So this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial today. Happy Pride Month, everyone, and make sure to spread love and positivity, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!